In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about artwork preparation for silk screening. Much like other vector processes, silk screening requires that we modify the artwork so that it will work for our silk screener. This particular piece of artwork that I have has a red, a brown, a green, a royal blue, and a sky blue. So that's 5 different colors. All of the pieces of artwork are just layered on top of one another. And this is typically how you would find vector artwork if an artist gave it to you. They would just have layering like this, and you would be responsible for getting the setup on the separations. In order to do this, we need to make sure that all of the pieces of the artwork are actually cut out from one another. They cannot be layered for silk screening. So what that means is that when I pull this red away, there needs to be holes where the red, ornaments are. The blue star that's over, the light blue star that's over the darker blue star needs to be cut out. The edges of the blue star that go over the tree need to be cut out. So, I'm going to work on this piece by piece to kind of show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to take the red piece, which is all one piece, and I'm going to shift click the green piece, and I'm going to do a cutout. And what that will do is that will drop circles and cut out everything that I need to. Likewise, because there's also a brown piece that goes underneath the red piece down there, I'm going to do the same thing with the red and the brown. I'm going to take the red piece and the brown piece and do a cutout. And that's the trim tool for those of you who are unfamiliar with it. It's located right up here. So now if I take a look at the brown piece and the red piece, they should touch perfectly but never overlap, which is good. And the same for the green piece. They should touch perfectly but never overlap, which is exactly what they're supposed to be doing. And you can check all the little bulbs and see how that works, the ornaments. I'm also going to do this for the blue pieces. The first thing I'm going to do is take the back blue piece and do it over the green. So that's cut out perfectly. Perfect. And it looks like I've cut it out against the red here too, so we're good there. I'm now going to take the lighter blue piece and cut out against the darker blue piece. There we go. Now, if I did everything properly, the way this should look is that I should be able to piece all of these pieces together, or pull all these pieces together and apart, and you should see the differences. An easy way to check this would be to switch the layering on the pieces. So right now, the layering has it so the red is on top and the green is the furthest back. But if I've done cutouts properly, if I move the green all the way to the front, nothing should change. But see, something did change. Right there, you can notice the brown changed. I'm going to show you. That means that I missed a piece. What that means is I actually need to take this brown piece here and make sure that I cut it out against the green. There we go. And now we should be good. Let's try that again. So I'm moving the green back and forth, and I don't notice any changes. Same for the red. I'm going to move it to the front and the back. Don't notice any changes. The blues, no changes there. And then the other blue. Perfect. So now I've got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and everything is perfectly cut out, so they're all separated, and I can move on to the next process of silk screening.